Hi everyone, this is Jorina Sandu from Kawayan City, Isabela.
Hi, Jorina. So, big question. Bakit ka sumali ulit or bakit ka sumali
Binibining. So, joining Binibining Pilipinas is really one of my dreams since I was a child. So, I realized that I should join na. Why should I wait pa, diba? So, why Binibining Pilipinas? Because Binibining Pilipinas is one of the platforms that offers a lot, and it has introduced a lot of women who are not just beautiful but also empowered, intelligent, and purpose-driven. And I believe that Binibining Pilipinas stage will help me grow, use my voice, and inspire a lot of young girls out there to use their voice who, like me, also came from humble beginnings but dared to dream big. Kung kaya ko, kakayanin nyo rin.
or kailan mo pa nalaman or napag-decide na sasali ako?
Oh, that's an interesting question. We realized that pag-desisyonan namin na sumali na last year pa. And binoise out ko siya, I've been vocal about this nung Queen Isabella. Na nag-turn over ako, sinabi ko na I'll be joining Binibining Pilipinas, so I need your support.
Video na yun.
I didn't expect. Oh yeah, I didn't expect na magte-trend yung video na yon.
Alright. Now, I'm sure may iba na sa strategy mo ngayon compared to your previous pageant. Paano mo pinaghahandaan ngayon? Mas may pressure ba? Or mas madali na sa'yo?
Actually, to be honest, I'm still the same me. I just improved the areas that are needed. Because in my previous pageant, I realized that there are really such areas that is in need of improvement, such as my communication skills, my pasarela, and of course, my physical fit, my physical body. That's why, I go to the gym, nag-caldef ako, I trained my communication skills because I really want to win, not just for myself, but for my family and for my supporters as well.
Any message sa yung mga supporters?
Oh, so sa lahat ng supporters ko dyan, thank you so much for supporting me. Like what I always say, I wouldn't be here if it isn't because of you. So I hope that you will continue to support me up until the last day of my pageant journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jorina.